Shooters, welcome back to the Shooter's Bay. This is Cooter. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a tactical weapon light by Acid Tactical. This light is available on eBay. The price is $28.99. This is a pretty much an all-in kit. You're going to get the light. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and bust in. I'll show you. I'd rather show you than tell you. So right away, you notice it's got Acid Tactical on the box. Made in China. You got 4 latches on the box. Pretty decent box. There's a lanyard. When you open the box, you're going to get the Acid Tactical branding on the mount. This is your Weaver pick style mount. Okay. You're going to get a pressure switch. You're going to get a little warning. Read before. You're going to get a charger. This is the blade style where you just pop the blades out, plug it right in. This is very similar to the Defentech weapon light charger. You're going to get a lanyard for the light if you want to rock the light EDC. You're going to get an Allen key for your adjustments. You're going to get the light itself. Very nice, bright 1000 lumens. I'm not going to flash you guys. Well constructed. Pretty sturdy. This is the standard switch, but you can also... First, before we look at the pressure switch, let's take a look at the battery. Lumens. And this is 2800 milliamp hours, and it's 3.7 volts, and there's a lithium ion. It's got a low discharge rate, no memory effect, low recurring operation costs, and it's got a 10-year environmental friendly. I guess that's 10 years worth of usage on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop that back in. And we're going to run the pressure switch. Now, big thing with pressure switches, guys, for those of you who don't know, when you're putting on pressure switches, you just want this cord to dangle freely. You don't want to hold it straight and then screw this cap on. You could cause it to get tangled up in here and damage the cord. So here's your pressure switch. There we go. That's one reason why I don't like pressure switches, guys. I think they're unreliable. Maybe on this cheaper light, but okay, here we go. Now I was hitting it in the wrong spot. There we go. Okay, so here we go. It works every time. Okay. But I'm not a fan of pressure switches, but it's nice to know that they're included. I may run one with a pressure switch. I actually got 2 of these. But for now, I'll just run it like this. So that's what it looked like. It's 1000 lumens, pretty bright, rechargeable battery. Not a whole lot to talk about on that one. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm actually waiting for a part to come in to mount this to my AR, but it's not here yet. Some M-locks. It's on my 88. So here's what it looked like when it's mounted. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to keep it like this. I just put it on so you guys see what it looked like mounted onto a weapon. A shotgun is perfect to use it without the pressure switch, because where I got it mounted, when I'm racking the shotgun and I'm bringing it forward, the light switch is right here. So I can hit it real easily. I don't need the pressure switch. So that's right there. I had it mounted on the top where I had the optic, but I decided to move it down here. That's the nice thing about these type of lights. You can put them wherever you got rail space. So if you get unhappy with it one way, you just move it somewhere else. So that's it right there. This is the Acid Tactical weapon light, and it's on eBay, $28.99. Everything you need is in the box. You know, the pressure switch, the mount, the ring, everything you need is right there. The battery, $28.99 is a good deal for a 1000 watt, 1000 lumen weapon light. This is Cooter. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.